Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and style, giving you the inside scoop on all things fabulous. Today, we're talking about a highly anticipated product that promises to give you luscious, voluminous curls with minimal effort. Let's take a closer look at the 30-inch deep wave lace front wig by Beautyistic, a product designed for those who crave that perfect curly hair look without the hassle of daily styling. This 13x6 curly HD transparent lace front wig comes in a rich 210% density, offering a full, voluminous appearance that feels as good as it looks. The wig is made from 100% human hair, ensuring a natural look and feel. With a 13x6 Swiss lace front, it provides a breathable, durable fit with a larger lace area that gives more styling flexibility. The cap size is adjustable, fitting head sizes from 21 to 23.5 inches, and it comes equipped with a removable elastic band and combs for a secure fit. Plus, the deep wave texture adds an extra dose of personality, perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. Now, let's get into my personal experience with the wig. Out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the softness and the natural sheen of the hair. The curls were defined and bouncy, giving it that effortless, fresh out of the salon look. The lace itself felt sturdy, and the transparent HD lace blended well with my skin tone, making it almost undetectable. As for the setup, it was incredibly easy to put on. The elastic band is a game changer, ensuring that the wig stays securely in place without feeling tight or uncomfortable. The only downside I encountered was a bit of shedding during the styling process, but this was minimal and didn't affect the overall performance of the wig. Pros? The 210% density of this wig is a standout feature. It's full, thick, and gives you that voluminous look without being heavy. The quality of the human hair is top-notch, and it's versatile enough to be dyed or straightened according to your preferences. The 13x6 lace front offers a breathable experience, which is crucial for comfort, especially if you're wearing it for extended periods. Additionally, the elastic band and adjustable combs make it a beginner-friendly option for those new to lace front wigs. Cons. The shedding, although minimal, could be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're used to wigs that don't shed at all. The wig also requires some maintenance to keep the curls looking fresh, and if you're not careful, the deep wave texture might lose its bounce over time. Also, due to the thicker density, this wig may feel a bit heavy for those who prefer a lighter option. In terms of value for money, the Beautyistic 30-inch deep wave lace front wig is priced higher than some alternatives. But the quality of the human hair, the density, and the overall craftsmanship make it a solid investment if you're looking for a long-lasting, natural-looking wig. When compared to similar products on the market, this wig stands out for its premium material and versatile styling options. The build quality is excellent. The lace is sturdy, the hair feels incredibly soft, and the overall design speaks to the attention to detail that Beautyistic has put into creating a product that not only looks great, but also performs well. This wig is designed to withstand regular wear and styling, making it a reliable choice for anyone who wants a durable, high-quality wig. As for customer support, while I didn't need to reach out directly, Beautyistic's reputation for quality customer service is known in the wig industry, so you can rest assured that you'll get the assistance you need should anything arise. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are a few options on the market, but they may not offer the same level of density or versatility. If budget is a concern, you might want to explore brands that offer similar quality at a slightly lower price point, though be prepared for some trade-offs in terms of hair quality and durability. In conclusion, the Beautyistic 30-inch deep wave lace front wig delivers on its promises of volume, comfort, and style. While there are some minor cons, like shedding and the need for maintenance, the overall quality makes it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a premium wig that's easy to wear and style. If you're someone who values high-density wigs and natural curls, this one could be just what you need. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest beauty tips and tricks here on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching, and if you already own this wig or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep it beautiful with Beautyistic, where style meets simplicity.